Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about something a bit different, but definitely exciting. RV boondocking in the city, stealth camping in the city. If you're tired of the usual campgrounds and looking for a new adventure, this video is for you. Imagine parking your RV in some of the city's lesser known spots and seeing the urban landscape from a whole new perspective. So grab your RV keys and let's get started. But before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me keep bringing you awesome content. And as a thank you, you can grab my free ebook, Let's Talk About Boondocking, by using the link in the description or the pinned comment below. So, what exactly is stealth RV camping? It's all about finding hidden or less obvious spots in the city where you could park your RV for the night. Think about those places that might not immediately stand out. Under bridges, quiet alleyways, or in empty lots. These locations become your base for exploring the city in a unique way. Stealth RV camping offers a sense of adventure that's different from the usual RV experience. You get to see the city from a perspective that most people never consider, almost like having a secret backstage pass to urban life. I first got into this when I was driving through a city late at night, and it hit me, could I park here and camp without anyone noticing? Well, that thought kicked off my journey into becoming a stealth camping pro. The trick to successful urban RV camping is to blend in seamlessly. Cities aren't typically designed with RV campers in mind, so it's important to make your vehicle look like it belongs wherever you park it. One useful technique is using window covers to keep your activities private and your RV low profile. Parking next to similar-sized vehicles like vans, delivery trucks, is another good way to avoid drawing attention to yourself. Another tip is to minimize your outdoor clutter. Avoid setting up chairs, awnings, as these can give away your presence. Instead, keep everything inside your RV tidy and compact. Camping under the radar isn't just about going unnoticed. It's all about being respectful and staying safe. Always make sure your RV is secure to prevent theft, and use eco-friendly products to maintain cleanliness. The key principle? Leave no trace ensures that you're both respecting the city and its residents, keeping your urban RV camping a positive experience for everyone involved. In addition to leaving no trace, be mindful of noise levels. Use your generator sparingly, if at all, and avoid any loud activities that can attract unwanted attention. Silence is your best friend when it comes to stealth camping. Safety is crucial. Be aware of your surroundings and choose parking spots wisely. If something doesn't feel right, trust your instincts and move on. Finding the perfect spot to park overnight in a city requires a mix of curiosity and some detective work. Google Maps and Google Earth are great tools for scouting potential locations, but the best spots are found simply by exploring on foot or getting a tip from locals. Whether it's a quiet alley or a secluded corner of a park, these locations offer you a chance to immerse yourself in the city's energy without sacrificing privacy. The key is finding that sweet spot between being tucked away and still having easy access to the city. Another strategy is to look for places where overnight parking is common, such as near hospitals, 24-hour businesses, industrial parks, etc. These areas often have vehicles parked overnight, making it easier for your RV to blend in. Right now I'm in Los Angeles, and you'd never know it. Urban RV camping isn't just about finding a place to park for the night. It's about blending into the city's flow. You want your presence to be seamless as possible, both visually and how you interact with your environment. Opt for gear that's suited for an urban setting, like compact solar panels for energy and portable waste systems that keep things discreet. This approach isn't your typical camping experience. It's a way to experience the city in a way most people never do, giving you a fresh perspective on urban life from the comfort of your own space. It's boondocking in a city. And remember, part of the fun is adapting to your environment, whether it's adjusting to the sounds of the city or finding creative ways to stay under the radar. Urban camping challenges you to think outside the box. Now let's talk about some practical tips for making your urban RV adventure a success. Do your research. Before you head out, make sure you understand the city's RV parking regulations. The last thing you want is to get into legal trouble because you're parked in the wrong spot. Keep noise to a minimum and maintain a low profile. The less attention you attract, the better. It's essential to pack out everything you pack in, leaving your spot as clean as you found it. Consider parking in less noticeable areas after sunset and plan to leave at dawn. This minimizes the chances of drawing attention to yourself. I use solar panels and reliable lithium batteries to keep my energy needs met sustainably and quietly. Choose your parking spots carefully. Industrial zones or quieter streets can offer the privacy you need, and natural elements or architecture features can help you stay concealed. As I mentioned, I'm in Los Angeles. It's Labor Day weekend, and you never know that I'm in a city. Don't overstay your welcome. Moving frequently is key to staying under the radar. This helps you avoid attracting attention and maintains a good relationship with the city. Stealth RV boondocking is more than just finding a place to park. It's about discovering the city in a thoughtful and respectable way. It's an adventure that lets you explore urban areas quietly and responsibly, blending into the environment without disrupting the daily life around you. This type of camping or boondocking offers a different perspective on city life, allowing you to become a temporary part of the urban landscape while maintaining your own space. It's not about roughing it in the wilderness, but rather adapting to a different kind of environment, one that's full of life and activity. And remember, the goal isn't just to camp or boondock, it's to experience the city, respect its rhythm and the people that live there. By being considerate and a mindful camper helps you ensure that urban boondocking remains a viable and enjoyable option for everyone. So there you have it, your guide to stealth RV boondocking in the city. It's an unconventional yet exciting way to explore urban areas while keeping a low profile. And it's free. Whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or someone looking for a new experience, stealth RV boondocking offers a fresh and engaging way to see the city. Remember, the key to successful stealth RV boondocking is blending in, staying safe, and respecting the spaces you explore. With the right approach, you can uncover hidden gems and enjoy the city from a whole new angle. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more RV tips and tricks. And don't forget, as a thank you for subscribing, you can grab my free ebook, Let's Talk About Boondocking, using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Until next time, happy RVing. If you want to learn more about boondocking and RVing, please check out the videos right over here.